Fireworks and firecrackers. Fireworks and firecrackers, commonly seen at festive seasons and parties, contain stored chemical energy. Once a firecracker is ignited, this stored chemical energy is converted to thermal energy, light energy, and sound energy. The booming sound after a cracker is burned is due to the quick release of energy from the cracker. A very small amount of energy is converted to kinetic energy with which the pieces of crackers fly apart. Speaking and singing. We hear sound as someone speaks or sings due to the vibrations of the vocal cords present in our body system. Humans consume food which has stored chemical energy in it. This chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy when the muscles of the vocal cords vibrate, and then finally vibrations produce sound energy. So every time we speak or sing, there is energy transformation from chemical energy to sound energy. The sound of an automobile engine. An automobile engine works by the combustion of fuel. So, as the fuel is burned, the stored chemical energy in the fuel is converted to thermal energy and mechanical energy. Along with these, a small part of chemical energy is converted to sound energy also. We hear the sound of the engine as any automobile passes due to this energy transformation. Blasters for construction work. Several construction, mining and quarrying companies make use of blasters to dislodge coal, or rocks, or to demolish structures. Building demolition projects run successfully by the use of blasters. Blasters are a kind of explosives, and the energy conversion is similar to that of an explosive. The stored chemical energy gets transformed and is released in the forms of thermal energy, kinetic energy, and sound energy. Explosions are marked by the huge outbursts of noise. Accidental cylinder blasts. There are several incidents reported on a daily basis regarding the accidental blasts from cylinders at home. Cylinders contain LPG, commonly used for domestic cooking, which is inflammable. Since it has low ignition temperature, it catches fire easily. Blasts happen when the fuel leaks out of the cylinder and comes in contact with fire. This releases enormous energy in the form of heat, light and sound, which is very dangerous and may be fatal. The sudden release of energy is due to the conversion of chemical energy to the forms of energy mentioned before. A battery-operated audio system. The energy conversion in a battery-operated audio system is initially from chemical energy to electrical energy, battery. Then the electrical energy gets transformed to sound energy in the audio system. Mobiles, battery-operated radios, etc. are examples for the energy transformation. A man playing guitar or any musical instrument. Chemical energy gets transformed to sound energy in an indirect way while a man plays any musical instrument. Man consumes food that has stored chemical energy. Now, as a man plays any instrument, his muscles convert this chemical energy to mechanical energy. And finally, this mechanical energy is released as sound energy when he pulls the string of a guitar. Thunder during a storm. We hear thunder along with the lightning. When lightning discharge happens, the surrounding air expands and contracts rapidly due to the temperature variations, which may be considered as a form of chemical energy. This rapid expansion and contraction is characterized by the release of sound energy, i.e., thunder. Forest fires. Forest fires occur when the trees of a forest get struck by a lightning or when a source of fire ignites any of the trees. Forest fires easily spread through the forest. During a forest fire, the tree gets burned. So initially, trees contain stored chemical energy within them. And whenever it is ignited, the chemical energy is transformed to heat energy and sound energy. Fuel power plants. The major purpose of a fuel power plant is the production of electrical energy from the chemical energy of fuels. During this transformation, a small amount of energy is released as light or sound, which gets dissipated. Hence a small transformation from chemical to sound energy happens in the power plants. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.